Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the iPhone 16 is to arrive on September 9th. 5 major upgrades you need to know before buying. The Apple event, scheduled on September 9th, will unveil the iPhone 16 series and the major upgrades it will bring. The iPhone 16 lineup will feature 4 anticipated models: iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. Here are the top big improvements the lineup will feature. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Number 1. New Improved Chipset. The iPhone 16 lineup is rumored to feature a new and advanced Apple Bionic chipset. The leaks suggest that the is expected to deliver exceptional speed and efficiency. If this holds to be true, then the iPhone 16 series will become a powerhouse for gaming, multitasking, and more. Number 2. High-res camera system. iPhones are known to have the best camera in the smartphone industry. But with the iPhone 16, Apple is expected to improve it even further. The rumor has it that the Pro models will come with a 50-megapixel triple camera system. The camera is expected to bring optical image stabilization and eye-powered features for improved photo and video quality. The iPhone 16 Pro could also support up to 5x optical zoom. Number 3. Action and Capture button. The rumor and leaks suggest that the Action button, which was exclusive to iPhone 15 Pro models, is now coming to all iPhone 16 devices. This button replaced the mute toggle bar on the edge of the device. Moreover, the iPhone 16 series will also feature the Capture button. As the name suggests, the Capture button will enhance the landscape photography and videography experience. Number 4. Advanced AI capabilities. To compete with the AI race, Apple has introduced its AI, Apple Intelligence, coming up in the iPhone 16 Pro models. The Pro models will get another Pro feature with AI. But Apple Intelligence is not the only AI coming to the series. Other than that, Siri will be integrated with ChatGPT to enhance the overall experience. Number 5. These are bonuses. iOS 18 has a lot to offer too. Talking about customization first, iOS 18 introduced a new approach to customizing the home screen, lock screen, and control center. You can now arrange apps and widgets in any open space, including placing them right above the dock. New visual effects, such as dark or tinted themes, allow you to give your app icons and widgets a unique look. In addition to this, you can enlarge icons for easier access and better visual impact. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.